Best Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table. We review top 5 best outdoor folding portable picnic camping table. For more details and price, click product link description. Portal Outdoor Folding Portable Camping Table. Sometimes you need a table that will adjust to your adventure. Whether you prefer to sit on picnic blankets on the ground or large camp chairs. This table has expandable legs that adjust to a variety of heights or fit uneven surfaces. There is also a mesh layer on the bottom for extra storage when you need it, and it can easily be removed when not in use. The leg bottoms are made with non-skid feet, and the aluminum lightweight frame is durable and easy to clean. The full table weighs in at just about 10 pounds, and comes with a carry bag with a strap. TENRIOS Portable Camping Table. Weighing in at less than 2 pounds, this table can be taken anywhere without a second thought. It also packs down to the size of a large water bottle, so it can easily be taken on hikes for picnics at memorable vistas. The tabletop is made with durable aluminum alloy, which is weather-resistant, durable, and easily cleaned with just a simple wipe. It can hold up to 55 pounds, and the table feet have a rubber slip-resistant design. This is a perfect table for picnics or camping with small groups, as a place to hold food, beverages, or games. AHB Outdoor Folding Camping Table with Storage Organizer. With this table you don't have to think before packing an extra six-pack or board game. 2 zippable storage lockers with Velcro attachment points fit underneath the table, which makes holding drinks, kitchen utensils, or games a breeze. The table length is 4 feet, but it folds down to half that size and includes a carrying handle for easy portability. You can load up to 45 pounds on the surface of the table, and more underneath in the storage containers. The tabletop is made with anti-rust aluminum, and non-slip legs keep your haul safe on uneven surfaces. ALPS Mountaineering Eclipse Table. The unique design of this product makes it a handy companion for camping, sports tournaments, picnics, and a range of other activities. It simply folds out like a typical camp chair, which makes it very convenient for on-the-go use. The tabletop is flat, while a lower level has built-in cup holders. Furthermore, a side pouch has individual compartments for electronics, toys, or any other small items you may need. The table is held up with adjustable straps, which can be pulled taut to keep your items secure. For just over $30, this 3-foot by 3-foot table is a great bang for your buck. Alpine Mountain Gear Roll-Top Kitchen Table. This multi-leveled table is every camp chef's dream. The fold-out side table is perfect for storing food while you use a stove on the main roll-top tabletop. Then, underneath that is another roll-top shelf which can store your cooking essentials, a 6-pack, or a camp kitchen sink. The legs on the side table are adjustable, so you can choose whichever height suits your best. The 2 roll-top levels are designed to hold a lot of weight,